Happy Sunday, guys. Have you ever been told that you're too old to handle this social media? Have you ever been told that this platform is for young people? Are you over 30? This video is for you.
Never step into a space where you sought peace only to find chaos. Instead, this reminds me of Matthew 21 verse 13, when Jesus entered into the temple, hoping to encounter a sanctuary of worship.
Benefits of drinking clove water at night before sleep. Welcome to our video on the health benefits.
So lovelies, have you ever been told that you're too old to be on social media? Have you ever been told that your age is not worthy for you to manage or to handle YouTube? You guys come with me as I have my breakfast. This is Sunday, and you know, as Sunday we always give you a vibe of our experience, because there are some people who are who are facing such challenges, and I faced it one time. I feel it's better to share with you such that we can know how to handle. I was happy to see this video. This lady, I think she's even above 40 years, but see what she's doing on social media. Today it's not about ranting of how we are mistreated or the way we are insulted. Some of them might have insulted us without knowing, Happy Sunday, guys. Have you ever been told that you're too old to handle this social media? Have you ever been told that this platform is for young people? Are you over 30? This video is for you. I've been there when I started my journey as a creator. Some of the people, especially the closest people that I trusted in, said it to me, and they went ahead, they said it to other people. It might not have been a joke. You might be facing the same. You might have gone through it, and you say, this is not my thing. I'll not do social media because it is not my thing. But today I'm here to inform you that it's your thing. And I've brought for you the 10 good reasons for you to make sure you jump on today and be on YouTube, on social media platforms. These reasons, you're going to appreciate them, but before that I would love to appreciate every person out there that has been on Immaculate Show. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for trusting us, and especially to students, royal viewers, royal subscribers, you're most welcome. Our main aim here on this social media platform is to make sure we use our gadgets profitably, especially for financial freedom. You can be financially free with or without a job, irrespective of your age. So let's dive in and see these 10 good reasons that I'm going to give you today. The truth, it first shook me. I started doubting myself, but guess what? I almost gave up. Other people gave me even some of the suggestions, go faceless. I even doubted myself so much. But guess what? I put through, and today I'm a proof that age is just a number when it comes to social media. And we are talking about social media success, and we're talking about making money. And if you're over 30 years, please don't hesitate. Don't go into hesitation to make money or to start it right now. I'm here to tell you that now is a perfect time to start. How is it a perfect time for you to start? So in this video, I'll share with you 10 powerful reasons why people over 30 should start social media, especially YouTube. Whether you want to make money, share your knowledge, or just connect with a new audience, this is your sign today to start. The first one is you have life experience. People need that, you guys. Life experience. If you're over 30, you've been through things, career changes, relationship, parenting, personal growth. That wisdom is variable. There are millions of people looking for advice that only someone with your experience can give. Now, I'm giving you this experience of how I was, that word, it became heavy. By the way, it brought for me a lot of confusion. I even doubted in whatever I was doing. Maybe you have been serving somewhere for some years. You've been doing the same thing. You've been handling the same thing. You've been doing it from scratch. Then from nowhere, they tell you, you're still out, your old age. Now we want people under 20 years to handle this platform and open like that. Do you know what it feels? You can easily go off mad. Others, you can go into depression. But thank God, I'm here to tell you that if you've been told such thing, or if you've been treated like that, pull up, look for the circle that is going to mold you well, and you continue doing your thing. I'm here to testify that I'm earning some good amount of money that the young people, they said in quotes, might not be earning right now. Now, you people, the internet, it is not just for young people. Let me tell you. Why is it not for young people? That is the second reason why you should be there. Social media is not just for teenagers doing dance trends. You know, when they talk about why you should not be there unless you're doing dance trends, you'll never find me in dance trends. People who are doing dance trends and you're above 30, I get to know that it's not for dance trends. In fact, platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and even TikTok are full of people in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. There is an audience for you guys. Please don't stop here. The third reason is that you can build a brand and earn money. Social media is not just for fun, it's a business opportunity. People are making full-time income from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, whether it's through AdSense, sponsorship, digital products, or affiliate marketing. The potential is massive, you guys. You know, there are things that can lie us. For example, you put your photo on Instagram once and it goes viral. Then that one becomes a point. Because it went viral, you know what to do. No. Social media is dynamic. The more older you are, by the way, the more you can know how to handle social media. The more you can know how to answer people, their queries. And in fact, you can build your brand very well. Then the fourth reason is you don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. That is the fourth reason. If you know you're above 30, this Sunday I'm giving you that package. And this is really, if you watch it after Sunday today, it's okay also. You can use it. If you know you're above 30, it's not a must that you go on camera. You can decide to go faceless. You can visit our YouTube bank playlist, and you'll find how to do a faceless video. I've been doing them. Even the previous that before now, it was faceless. Now what you need to do, don't worry about showing your face. You don't have to. There are plenty of faceless YouTube channels making thousands of dollars every month. You can do voiceovers, slideshows, tutorials, or even share your knowledge through written content on blogs. The fifth is your skill and passion can be turned into content. Don't be twisted. You know, if you find people who have not yet been exposed as far as social media is concerned, they will tell you, they will think it's about videos, it's about, no. And experience is the best teacher. Now that your age of 30 and above, there are winds that will not pull you. You will not get me seeing a trend on TikTok and I run there. You will not get me that something has happened and I'm not in that niche and I go to talk about it. You'll not find me in politics. You'll not find. So when you are above 30, you turn your skills into content. And that's what we are doing right now. So you can. Whether you're 50 and 60, don't mind, jump on this. Do you love cooking, parenting, fitness, personal finance, technical review? Whatever your passion is, there is an audience waiting for you. People are searching for guidance, and your expertise could be exactly what they need. But if you're in a locality that is going to say, you are old, you shouldn't be. We need people who are 20 and below. Run away from them. Do what? And even, you don't need to tell them that you're going to start it. Remember, we're still taking our breakfast. Yeah. The sixth one is we have more patience and discipline than most young creators. Young creators, most of them have no discipline because of what we don't blame them. They don't know where the life is taking them. You know, when I remember what I was told, it was through a young creator. Even by the way, she wasn't a creator, but she was a creator in making. So you might be there and you're like, no, I'll not do this because I'm old. Young creators, let's be honest, many young creators struggling with consistency. But as someone over 30, you have developed discipline, patience, and time management skills. This will help you to stay committed and build stronger audience over time. Consistency, your experience gives you an edge. The 7th one, you don't need thousands of followers to succeed. Let me just tell you why I have to give you this experience. Most people, even who don't have experience in this, they will slap you in your face with the audience you have. So like, for example, me, this is the thing they slapped me with. Someone was like, well, someone you find you have like 10,000 followers on Facebook, but views are very few. And she or he's also among the followers in these 10,000. She cannot comment. She only invented letters to see what I'm doing, but she would use it because she's young and she's 20 years. She would use it. She forgets that she's among the 10,000 people that are bringing you down. So when we are talking about this, you guys, we should have to be honest. People often think you need millions of followers to make money. No, that's not true. Even a small engaged audience can bring in sponsorship, affiliate commissions, and product sales. It's about quality, quantity, and what you offer. It's a lot of a package for you to know how to earn on social media, especially on YouTube. So from today, get to know that. And I want you to jump on if you know you have your smartphone near. Benifa from Nigeria, I know she's about 40, but she wants to start social media. And when she approached me through my DM, I was very excited. Please keep it up and keep going. Let's go to the YouTube, and social media will only keep growing. The best time to start was yesterday, because the second best time is today. Social media isn't going anywhere at all. The sooner you start, the faster you can grow, monetize, and create opportunities for yourself. Don't follow what people are saying. You can inspire others at your age to start. That is the 9th one. If I don't start, how will my baby girl start? How will my son start? How will my grand start? You have to start today, but the way you start matters. If you're a person who is doing challenge, of course, you expect your daughter is going to do challenge. You have to do something and take action for the least. You deserve to follow your dreams at any age. At the end of the day, your age should never stop you from going after what you want. Whether it's making money, sharing your story, or just having fun, social media is for everyone. And the best time to start is right now. You guys, in this one, there's something I've learned, and I like this. You can follow her up. I have liked this people I've put on the screen. There's one lady called Ola or Olayo on TikTok, but this is her page. You can see it on TikTok. I love what she's doing. She's giving her life experience. I met this lady in some meeting, content creators meeting. By the way, she spoke my mind inside, because there are some people out there. She's 58, but someone one time was refusing a 30 years person to run a Facebook page or to monitor a Facebook page, a YouTube page, because after monitoring it for years and even building it up, because she's old and the young people are coming. So then I looked at her. I'm like, baby girl, there you go. So you guys, follow your dreams, move on, and know that the rejection is going to be there. People, even the people who are saying the young people are coming, or the young people, they are going to be old. Will they push them out of their game? This is your game. It's not someone else. Unless if it is someone's game, that one was someone's game. You give it up. But if it is yours, don't give up. So you guys, this has been Christine. What do you think now? What do you think about this? Tell me, have you ever been told you're too old for social media? A majority of people have been told this. I always see it, even others put it in form of content. But it's especially to the people who don't